Today we are going to learn about how to do full body massage. Performing a full body massage can be a wonderful way to help your loved one or friend to relax and feel more comfortable. Here are some basic steps you can follow to give a full body massage. Prepare the space. Choose a warm, comfortable room with soft lighting and relaxing music. Make sure that the room is clean and free from distractions. Set up a massage table or a comfortable surface for your loved one to lie on. Warm up the muscles. Before starting the massage, warm up the muscles by using gentle strokes and kneading motions. Start at the neck and shoulders and work your way down to the legs and feet. Use oil or lotion. Apply oil or lotion to your hands to help them glide smoothly over the skin. Use a light amount of oil or lotion, as too much can make the skin feel greasy. Work on specific areas. Focus on specific areas of tension or discomfort, such as the neck. Back. Legs. Use a variety of techniques, such as kneading, rubbing, and tapping, to help release tension and increase circulation. Pay attention to pressure. Be aware of the pressure you're using, and adjust it based on your loved one's feedback. Use lighter pressure for more sensitive areas, and deeper pressure for areas with more tension. Finish with relaxation. After working on specific areas, finish the massage with gentle, relaxing strokes. Allow your loved one to rest for a few minutes after the massage is over, and provide them with water to drink. Remember that a full body massage can be very relaxing, but it's important to use proper technique and be aware of your loved one's comfort level. If you're unsure about how to perform a massage, consider taking a class or seeking guidance from a professional massage therapist.